Good morning, ninth class. Hope you are all fine. We have started mitosis, and as you know, mitosis consists of different phases. Two major phases of mitosis is karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis is further divided into four major phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Today we'll start prophase of karyokinesis. Okay, in prophase, their cell undergo different changes. And there is different changes like condensation of chromosome and formation of spindle fiber. There is nucleolus and nuclear envelope. They will degrade. These all are the changes take place in prophase. And now how these changes take place? First is the condensation of chromosome. First step. In first will condensation of chromosome. Okay, this diagram basically shows the different changes which take place in mitosis. Before mitosis, cell is in the interphase. This diagram shows the interphase. In interphase, genetic material is present in the form of thread-like structure, which is known as chromatin. Okay, so in interphase, this genetic material is in the form of thread-like structure, which is known as chromatin. Okay, at the start of prophase, then this chromosome, this genetic material, they will attain the shape of chromosome, and they undergo condensation process. They started shorten. Condense means they get shorter, and they will take the shape of chromosome. So in the first step in prophase, chromosomes are formed, and now chromosomes they have already duplicated in S phase. We have discussed S phase in cell cycle, and this chromosome is present in the form of duplicated form. Okay, and it consists of two sister chromatids. These are the two sister chromatids of chromosome, and they are attached to the center, which is known as centromere. Okay, and there is a kinetochore. Kinetochore is basically a complex protein where spindle fiber attach in next phase of the mitosis. So this is the first change take place in nucleus. Chromosomes are formed by condensation of genetic material. Okay, normally the genetic material in nucleus is in loose thread-like form structure, which is called chromatin. So at the start of the prophase, genetic material is present in the form of chromatin. At the onset of prophase, chromatin condenses into a highly ordered structure, which is known as chromosome. Now they are in the form of chromosome. Okay, and the chromosomes consist of two sister chromatids, and they are attached to the same centromere, and each chromosomes has a kinetochore at centromere. Okay, we have discussed that. And kinetochore is basically as a complex protein where spindle fiber will attach. So first, in the first phase, step, chromosomes condense. Next paragraph basically explain formation of spindle fiber. Okay, now in the interphase there are basically two centrioles present, which is collectively known as centrosomes at the outer part of the nucleus. At the exterior of nucleus there is two centriole present, which is known as centrosome. So when prophase start, this centrosome they divide, and it will duplicate it also duplicate, and they will move towards the opposite pole. Okay, now this will move towards the opposite pole. This is one side of centriole, and these are the other side of centriole. They move to the opposite pole, and the tubulin protein which is present in the cytoplasm, with them they will form the spindle fibers. These are basically this thread-like structure basically shows the spindle fibers. These are the spindle fibers. Okay. The microtubules, they will form basically the spindle fiber, and the complete set of spindle fiber is known as mitotic spindle. Okay, this all set of spindle fiber is known as mitotic spindle. Okay, so in the prophase, spindle fibers are formed. Okay, next change which take place in the nucleus is its nuclear envelope break is now, and its nucleolus is also degraded. So these are all the changes which take place in prophase. Nuclear envelope degrades, spindle fiber invaded the central place. Now spindle fibers, they are present in the central phase. So these are the different changes which take place in prophase. Okay, formation of spindle fiber, condensation of chromosome, degradation of nucleolus, and degradation of nuclear envelope. These are all the changes which take place in prophase. Okay, in plants there is a little bit difference, is that because there is a large vacuole is present in the center, but when in prophase, nucleus first they come into the center before prophase, and cells of the plant, they do not have centrioles. Spindle fibers are formed by the aggregation of tubulin proteins on the surface of nuclear envelope during prophase. So this is the prophase in plant, and it's a little bit different from the animal cell. Okay, so this is the first phase of mitosis, prophase. Learn this prophase phase and also practice the diagram. हमने diagram के साथ में इसको याद करना है. डायग्राम के साथ याद करेंगे तो इजी होगा. ये डायग्राम आपने प्रैक्टिस भी करनी है, लेकिन जिस तरह से ये फर्स्ट फेस इंटरफेस में क्या चेंजेस आई हैं, ये पहले इसको इस तरह से याद कर उसको डायग्राम के साथ याद करेंगे तो इजी हो जाएगा. प्रोफेस में फर्स्ट किस तरह से क्रोमैटिन कंडेंस हुए, एंड सेंट्रोसोम replicate, and then condensation continues, spindle fiber form, and then nuclear envelope breaks. These are all the different changes takes place in prophase. And ये जो इसकी सारी डायग्राम्स हैं, ये आपने साथ साथ इसको प्रैक्टिस करनी है. डायग्राम्स के साथ आप करेंगे तो इजी भी हो जाएगा, और वैसे भी आपने को पता है कि बायो में डायग्राम्स जो हैं वो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. ओके, दिस इज आई थिंक इट्स इनफ फॉर टुडे. और आपको जिस तरह से पता है कि अब आपकी वेकेशंस हो जानी है, ईद की ईद हॉलीडेज हो जाएंगी, तो आपने ईद पे ये जितना हम पढ़ चुके हैं उसको अच्छे से रिवाइज करें, और MCQ शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन पढ़ें, बनाएं इसके. और ओके, फ्रॉम माय साइड अल्लाह हाफ़िज़ एंड हैप्पी ईद मुबारक.